Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up digital bills online with US Bank. First thing I want you to do once you're logged into your dashboard, come to the top, click on transfer and pay, and then click here on pay bills. What I want you to do now is go ahead and scroll down and select the bills you want to set up digital bills for. So we'll go ahead and select this one right here, and then for payment settings, we'll click on set up digital bills. Now what I want you to do is come down here, make sure all your details are correct, and then click here on a link bill. What we'll do now is once this has been linked, because it will start with between 1 to 2 statements, what I need you to do is just go ahead and click on manage digital bills. And if you want to turn it off at any point in time, you just come here, click on these 3 dots, and you're able to pay it as well. You can mark it as paid, you can view your statements, or you can even turn it off anytime you want. Just click here. As you can see, it becomes turned off. Again, digital bills have stopped. Really that easy. That is how to set up digital bills online with the US Bank. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.